Before the beginning, before time itself, when there was only an endless void, there existed a supreme force beyond comprehension. He is the beginning and the end, the creator and the destroyer, the source of all existence. He is Lord Shiva. Shiva Puran states, Shiva is the absolute reality, beyond form, beyond time. In the Shiva Purana, Lord Shiva is described as Param Brahma, the supreme, formless, eternal consciousness. He is not bound by the cycle of birth and death. He is everything and nothing. Many believe that Lord Brahma is the creator, Vishnu the preserver, and Shiva the destroyer. But Shiva Purana reveals a deeper truth. Shiva is beyond these roles. He is the very energy that empowers creation, sustains life, and ultimately dissolves everything back into himself. Shiva is both Shaguna, with form, and Nirguna, without form. The Shiva Lingam represents his infinite, formless nature. It symbolizes his eternal presence, beyond life, beyond death, beyond comprehension. Worship of the Lingam leads to liberation from the cycle of rebirth. Far beyond human reach lies the sacred Mount Kailash, the eternal home of Lord Shiva. It is said that no mortal can climb it, for it is a gateway to higher realms. Here, Shiva meditates in complete stillness, radiating cosmic energy across the universe. Kailash is not just a mountain, it is a doorway to moksha, the ultimate liberation. Shiva is not just a destroyer, he is a transformer. Destruction in his hands is not an end, but a new beginning. When he dances the Tandava, he dissolves negativity, ego and ignorance, making way for a purer, higher existence. Destruction is necessary for renewal. Only Shiva can burn away illusion and reveal the truth. The third eye of Shiva is not just a weapon, it is the eye of absolute wisdom. It sees beyond illusion, beyond time, beyond duality. It burns away falsehood and reveals the ultimate reality of existence. Though he is feared as the destroyer, Shiva is also the most compassionate deity. He grants boons easily, blesses even demons when they pray with devotion, and protects all who seek him with a pure heart. Shiva's love is limitless. He is Bholinath, the kind-hearted Lord. Devotees chanting Om Namah Shivaya. Lord Shiva is not just a deity. He is the supreme cosmic force, beyond time, beyond space, beyond human understanding. He is the beginning and the end, the creator and the destroyer, the ultimate truth of existence. Surrender to Shiva, and the universe surrenders to you.